Hey there, my name's Mark Newman-Kuzel. I'm President and CEO of Made in USA, and today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of cat spray odor. Trust me, I have a lot of experience with this with my dear Andy, who we just lost last November. Boy, was there a lot of cat spray odor in the home, including on the upholstery, which we're going to need to use in a brush to get rid of any hair he or she may have left on the furniture. We're going to use one of my favorite products, Nature's Miracle. We're going to have a rag, a air freshener pad, and a candle. First step is taking your brush, getting rid of any cat hair that he might have left behind on the furniture. I'm going to remove these pillows as well, just get them out of the way so I can get all the hair. The next step is to take your Nature's Miracle. I have it on spray versus stream, so it's a more light approach to applying the fabric, so there are no stream marks. I like to take my soft microfiber rag, kind of lightly dab it in there, not too aggressive, which I tend to do. My overly worked Gold's Gem arms. Little fabric pad here underneath, and last but never least, a candle. You can take a candle, light it, and put it somewhere in the home to make it smell nice, in this case pine. And I'm Mark Newman-Kuzel, and that's how you get rid of cat spray odor in the home.